Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix install error 0x800F0983 in Windows 11 using Windows built-in recovery settings. This method is safe and will not delete your personal files or apps. Let's begin. Click on the Start menu, then select Settings. You can also press Windows key +I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, make sure System is selected on the left side. Now, on the right side, scroll down and click on Recovery. In the Recovery menu, find the Windows Update section. Here, you'll see the option, Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Fix Problems using Windows Update. Then click Reinstall now. Windows will begin repairing update components and system files. If you choose Automatically Restart, Windows will restart your computer on its own once the repair process is finished. You don't need to do anything, just save your work and let Windows complete the restart. If you don't choose Automatic Restart, Windows will ask you to restart manually later. The repair process may take several minutes. Your screen may go black briefly, and your PC may restart automatically. This is normal. After your computer restarts, go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Windows Update. Click Check for updates. The install error 0x800F0983 should now be fixed. This built-in Windows recovery option is one of the easiest ways to fix update installation errors in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.